After having explored the real-time mode of the tool in the previous video, we'll be exploring all manual modes in this one. The first manual mode that this tool offers is the selection mode. The selection mode checks selected elements for clashes. All detected clashes are shown in a very similar clash preview window to the one shown in the previous video. One thing that's different for all manual modes is that clashes are not automatically added to the global clash report that you can access using the clash report command, so there's an additional Add to Report button allowing that. One particular use case of the selection mode that many of our users reported having used a lot on a daily basis is checking MEP systems for clashes, which are selected using the tab selection mode. They also reported that assigning a keyboard shortcut to that particular tool made it even more efficient for them. The second one is the active view mode, which allows users to check the currently active view for clashes. One great addition that we added to version 5.0 is the progress form, which allows users to see the progress of the clash detection process, and to abort it if needed. The third mode is the project mode, which checks the entire project for clashes. One thing to note related to the progress form is that aborting it does not eliminate the already detected clashes, so you can abort a run at any time in case you feel that you're in a hurry and still be able to browse any detected clashes. All these modes run synchronously. However, and starting with version 5.0, we now have asynchronous background modes for each of these manual modes that can run in the background and allow you to keep working while they are running. We'll be demonstrating those in detail in the next video.